Welcome to Cooma. Winter has well and truly arrived here in the mountains. It continues to be busy on the Snowy 2.0 project, with works progressing at Tantangara, final preparations for tunnelling at Lobs Hole, and the exploratory camp filled with workers. This month we'll update you on progress at the precast factory at Polo Flat and visit several local businesses working on the project. Let's take a look at what's been happening. The first automated carousel is in the final phases of commissioning here at the Polo Flat Segment Factory. There will be 2 automated carousels, and at full production the plant is expected to produce 80 segments per 12-hour shift, or 160 segments over the course of a day. The 5 silos for the batching plant are now complete. Each silo is 27 metres tall, and the largest 2 will hold 230 cubic metres of sand. We are working on the flying buckets that will drop the concrete from the batching plant into the segment moulds. When both carousels are up and running, the factory will operate for more than 2.5 years continuously to produce the 130,000 segments needed for the project.
I'm Chris Hanna, owner of Hip Pocket Workwear and Safety Cooma. We have been proud to work on the Snowy 2 project since the feasibility study in 2017. We've worked closely with Snowy Hydro and the subcontractors, GHD, Lead, NX Blue and a few others. Now we are supplying PPE consumables for Future Generation joint venture and have won a package contract in the last 12 months. As a local business in Cooma, we are excited to be part of the Snowy 2 project.
I'm Steve Sire, I'm the Project Manager for Lead's work on the Snowy 2.0 project. Lead is an Australian-owned civil contracting company with offices throughout Australia. In 2020 we set up an office in Cooma, which has increased our connection to the local community. We perform the exploratory works for Snowy 2.0 and are now involved in the construction of access roads, bulk earthworks, service installation, road maintenance and structural concrete works for Future Generation joint venture. We have approximately 150 people employed by Lead and our subcontractors working on the project. Across the exploratory works and the main works, we have employed about 20 local people on site, many of whom have been upskilled through training provided during the project. Our project team is housed within the local communities. We would like to thank these communities for their continual support of Lead. We would also like to thank both Snowy Hydro and FG for the opportunity to be involved in this nation building project.
Thanks for watching our June Snowy 2.0 video. Stay tuned for next month's project update.